There are numerous ways to earn money, depending on your skills, interests, and available resources. Here are some ideas. Get a job. The most common way to earn money is to find a job. Look for job openings in your local newspapers, job boards, and online job search websites. Freelance. If you have skills such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can work as a freelancer and sell your services to clients. Sell items. You can sell items you no longer need or want on online marketplaces such as eBay, Amazon, or Craigslist. Participate in online surveys. Many companies pay people to participate in online surveys to gather market research data. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you have a particular interest or hobby, you can create a blog or YouTube channel and earn money through advertising or sponsorships. Invest. Invest your money in stocks, real estate, or other investments that can generate a return. Rent out property. If you own property, you can rent it out to generate income. Participate in the gig economy. You can participate in the gig economy by providing services such as driving for Uber or Lyft, delivering food or groceries, or doing odd jobs for people in your community. Remember, earning money requires effort and hard work, and there are no shortcuts to success. It's essential to choose an option that fits your skills, interests, and lifestyle.